Growing up, I was never much of an athlete, but when COVID-19 hit, I started taking long walks to clear my head. Those turned into short jogs to get across the street or to pass another walker. Then I ran a mile. Then I ran 2 miles. Then in early 2021, I ran my first 5K. This year, I ran my first half marathon. Since then, running's become an outlet and just a lot of fun. But in the past year, hearing stories like Eliza Fletcher's and so many more makes me really uneasy about one of my favorite pastimes. So I'm gonna give you a few tips and gadgets that I've picked up in my time running. Let's go. The most common threat to runners is just good old-fashioned overtraining. There's blisters, cramps, the dreaded shin splints. Overdoing it can lead to long-term injuries for your soft tissues and joints. Now, I'm not a running coach or a physical therapist, but I have overdone it before. Tackling new terrain or a new distance can be really exciting, but punishing yourself isn't worth it. So take walking breaks when you need to. Wear a hydration vest or a belt like this one for those long runs. Give yourself recovery days to rest and stretch and rehydrate. And watch the weather forecast, especially during the summer at those hot afternoons, which lately I'm starting to really miss. And just remember, you won't be able to run if you're hurt, so it's always smarter to back off. Drivers are notorious for missing pedestrians. According to the NHTSA, over 6,100 people were killed in 2020, and over 55,000 people were injured that same year. If you're going out at dawn, dusk, or nighttime, wear bright clothing, reflectors, or any kind of lights to make yourself more visible. I've dropped a few links below to some of our favorites if you want to check those out. Be aware of your surroundings. Turn off the noise cancellation in your headphones or turn down your music. You need to be able to hear what's going on around you, especially if you're running near a busy road or intersection. You can keep your pump-up playlist, don't worry, but you need to be aware of what's going on. Getting lost, injured, or assaulted are all realities when running alone. But luckily, there are tools out there that can help you out with this. Planning your route ahead of time can keep you from getting lost, but it's also good to share where you're going with someone else. Or better yet, bring a friend with you. If you're looking for a GPS or running watch, look for one like this one with emergency features. This one will text my emergency contacts when I press the emergency button. This is really good if I'm injured on the trail or worse. Speaking of, I also have a personal alarm that I can pull anytime I need help. I'll drop links to both of these in the description below. The fact is, the biggest risk for runners is injury, but you shouldn't ignore other risks like vehicles or other people. For me, running has opened doors to new challenges and travel opportunities I'd never seek out otherwise. You just have to be smart about how and where you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.